Presenting Monte Carlo Sport Coupe, combining a 15-year heritage of classic sculpted styling with sporty performance for 1985. New for 85 is a standard 4.3-liter V6, which precisely injects fuel into the engine through twin throttle body injector units. For a great combination of performance and economy, it delivers more horsepower than last year's base engine. And from the world's largest producer of computers, GM Delco, there's computer command control. It makes a minimum of 80 air-fuel adjustments per second for smooth operation. Or choose the optional 5-liter V8 with increased compression and electronic spark control, new for 85 for top performance. Both engines come standard with a convenient automatic 3-speed. Also available is an optional automatic 4-speed with overdrive, which improves fuel efficiency at highway speeds by reducing engine RPM. Monte Carlo's famous luxury ride is engineered in with computer-matched coil springs and shocks at each wheel, and a front stabilizer bar for flat cornering. Power steering is standard for ease of maneuvering, along with all-season steel-belted radials for excellent traction. Monte Carlo offers 6-passenger room and comfort. There's a full foam notchback seat with fold-down armrest, or an optional 55-45 split front seat, plus a standard color-keyed instrument panel, and full one-piece cut-pile carpeting on the floor and lower doors, providing added style. Even with all of Monte Carlo's elegance, there's utility. 16 cubic feet of trunk space and a flat load floor provide impressive cargo capacity. For the ultimate in Monte Carlo performance, there's Monte Carlo SS. SS sports a bold aerodynamic front end with black molding and grille, dual Rally Sport mirrors, Rally wheels, and Eagle GT tires, plus new striping accents. This year, SS offers a new T-roof option for an exciting open-air ride. Inside, there's a gauge package with tachometer, optional front bucket seats, and floor console. On the road, SS features standard fast ratio steering and a sport suspension to help provide flat cornering. And for all-out performance, SS has a standard high-output 5-liter V8 with an automatic 4-speed overdrive transmission. Your salesperson is ready to give you a complete product presentation on the 1985 Monte Carlo. Be sure to ask for a demonstration drive and experience the personal luxury of Sport Coupe or the sporty performance of Monte Carlo SS.